Today we're gonna make the fold-out bed. Basically, you just take these off, pop them over to the side. You can drop these behind here. So on the back side here, you're going to have some little things that pop out. So you want to make sure these come out all the way, and those go straight down. Okay, once that goes down like so, you pull this guy down like so, and there is a little piece back here that basically stays in there, and these will fold. These will fit right in like so, like this. And there's your bed. That's as easy as it gets. And this actually goes with that, I believe.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the piece that other people were missing.
Correct.
Okay.
So what you do is, what we do is we put down sheets and blankets, right? Well, you make it all the time. I don't know what I'm talking about. But this thing's super duper comfortable. So take this, just undo that, pull this up like so. When you're putting this back, you want to make sure that these go down like this, and that goes like so. And it just all folds right back down in there. And that took, what, half a minute? Bam!
Not even that.
Pretty good.